If you've lost access to your Afterpay account and can't verify your identity via your phone number, don't worry. You can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Afterpay website. Go to the official Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app on your device. Look for the login or account recovery option. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your Afterpay account to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Afterpay. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in and update your account information. Once your password is reset, log into your Afterpay account. Navigate to your account settings to update your phone number and any other necessary information to ensure future access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Afterpay account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for further assistance.